everyone, thank you for watching. I'm Jerky. Today I want to show you is how to make air funnel. Today I used punch 1.5mm, drill 0.75mm, needle, tweezer, hammer, file, iron block, this is not iron block, and wooden block. Here we go. At first, I drink something. Okay, I use this material. This is aluminum material, so I can cut with scissors. And I cut like this. And I use this material. About this size is needed. And I clean this with Kleenex. Okay. This is the material. I make this flat by hammer. I use this wooden block and 0.75 drill. I make a hole with drill. And this time, if you have a silicone liquid or oil, it is better. Okay. I put a small round part of aluminum and I push carefully center of it by needle. Can you see that? And I push into the hole slowly. Here we go. That's all. If there is small, really small burr, I have to remove this with file. Today I show you how to make 1/64 scale air funnel. It is very, very easy if you have tools I use it. So, you can make it. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.